Alright y'all, what's going on? CJ2K coming back at you with episode 2 of Sports Analytics. This time we're going to be focusing in on the NBA. So what we're going to be doing with this one is we're going to be looking at 3 more statistics that not a lot of people know about or not a lot of people know how to read correctly. The 3 we're going to be looking at today are plus minus, effective field goal percentage, and true shooting percentage. Let's get into it.
Shot clock, 4 seconds. Cleveland again late in the clock. It was much better for him. On the drive. Smith.
Alright y'all, so hopping into plus minus, we're going to start off. This one's a pretty simple one. So really all you're going to look at here is how the player changed the score of the game. So for example, as you can see here, the Atlanta Hawks beat the Los Angeles Lakers 91-82. So if a player played the whole game for the Atlanta Hawks, he would have a plus minus of +9. But if he played the whole game for the Los Angeles Lakers, it would be -9. Now for example, if the player played the first and third quarters only, as you can see, for the Hawks, they were +6 in this first quarter and then -8 in this third quarter. So +6 -8 would be -2. And for the Lakers, you have -6 +8, so that would be +2. And that's only if the player played the first and third quarters. So again, it's really just how does that player specifically affect the score of the game. Alright y'all, so hopping into our second aspect of the video. This is going to be effective field goal percentage. So what makes this different than regular field goal percentage? Remember, regular field goal percentage is just field goals made over field goals attempted. So it's just like if a player went 10 of 15, that would be their field goal percentage. However, for effective field goal percentage, you add in this 3-point factor. So essentially what that does is it says, you know what, 3-pointers are way harder to make than a mid-range or a layup. Let's give a player the benefit if he can make those 3-pointers consistently. So it counts 3-pointers as 1.5 times a regular shot. So this is going to be true shooting percentage. This is going to be our third and final statistic that we look at for this video. And all it does is it looks at your total amount of points and it divides it by 2 times field goals attempted plus 0.44 times free throws attempted. So again, really just another statistic to look at how effective a player is at scoring the ball. But rather than looking at 3-pointers versus regular field goals, this is looking at field goals attempted, free throws attempted, and dividing it by total amount of points. So that's all there really is to it. Points in the numerator, and in this denominator, you've got kind of a long equation here, but all it's really saying is field goals attempted, free throws attempted, and then just some numbers around to multiply, and it's sort of acting as a factor. But yeah, true shooting percentage, really the only difference between that and field goal percentage is, like I said, these factors down here, and the fact that you're looking at points rather than field goals attempted or field goals made. That's all there is to it.